Hi Smart Cookies. Today we are going to learn how to change present perfect, past perfect and future perfect sentences into passive voice. Before that, please make a note of all the structures I have written here for all the other tenses. Make a note of it so that we can go to the next topic. And you have to remember these three key points. SVO should be changed into OVS and there should not be change in tenses. You should not change the tenses while changing active into passive. And the third thing you have to remember is you have to use only the past participle verb. So, hope you would have noted down the structures of these tenses. Now, let us move on to the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, the structure for present perfect is has or have plus been plus past participle. So, let us go to the example sentence. Present perfect tense here. Example, the hunter has caught a rabbit. The hunter has caught a rabbit. So, hunter is the subject, has caught is the verb here and a rabbit is the object. So, how to change it? OVS, right. So, rabbit becomes the subject here. A rabbit has plus been plus PP, right. PP is past participle. So, a rabbit is singular. So, we have to use has. We should not use have. A rabbit has been caught. See, this is the easy thing you can easily change while changing. Perfect tense is very easy to change in passive voice, because in active voice you will have the V3 form itself. So, you need not think of the V3 form, because already V3 verb will be used in the given question. So, has caught, caught is already V3 form. You have to add only the been in between these two. So, this is the clue. You can easily remember while changing perfect tense into passive voice. A rabbit has been caught by the hunter. So, you need not think or struggle for V3 form as we do it for other tenses. So, these perfect tenses, that is the great advantage we have, because in all these three we have only the V3 forms used in the question. Same thing we can write it in the passive voice. So, next example, the child has broken the eggs. Broken is the V3 form already there in the question. You need not remember, no need to remember the V3 form, or no need to think of it, right. The child has broken the eggs. So, this is the subject, has broken is the verb, the eggs is the object. So, the eggs is singular or plural? Plural. So, you have to use have. If it is egg, you have to use has. Since eggs is in plural, you have to use have, and also the question is in present perfect tense. So, you have to change it in present perfect tense only. You should not change the tense. The eggs have been broken by the child. So, object, verb and subject. Next, we will move on to past perfect tense. So, perfect tense is the easiest tense while changing passive voice. Past perfect tense, the structure is had plus been plus past participle. So, what is the example? John had made a paper boat. John is the subject here, had made is the verb and a paper boat is the object. SVO, so OVS. A paper boat had we have written here, and next we have to add been. Had been, then made is already V3 form only there present in the question. So, same thing we have to use it here. Had been made by John. So, it is very easy. John had made a paper boat. A paper boat had been made by John. Next, we will see future perfect tense. The structure will be will have plus been plus past participle. Will have plus been plus past participle. That is the structure for future perfect tense. We will see an example for it. Mike will have finished the work. Mike will have finished the work. Mike is the subject. Will have finished is the verb. The work is the object. So OVS, the work will have, then you have to add one been, will have been finished by Mike. Finished already V3 form only, so V3 form we have used in passive form too. So the work will have been finished by Mike. So SVO has been changed into OVS, right. So the work will have been finished by Mike. So hope you would have enjoyed learning active and passive voice, that is regarding all the 8 tenses. Thank you for watching.